Good day guys and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be installing my new chin mount for the GoPro on my new LS2 Stream II helmet. I do have another one on my previous helmet, so in the next video I think maybe we'll do a comparison between the two, then you can clearly see what the differences are between them. So this video will be showing the installation process. Two things. First of all, I'm going to be rotating the cameras. I recently acquired, it's an oldish, it's a Hero 6 GoPro Hero 6, as well as a Garmin Verb 30 Ultra action cameras, which I want to start using because up to now I've been mostly using my phone. So the thing is, with a phone you get the best of both worlds. You get Bluetooth connectivity built in already, you get good quality video, you get good quality audio as well. However, you cannot always use your phone, so I want to start using those. So this video will include all three cameras as well as audio from all three as well, so look out for that. Let's see if you can notice it. Then number two, when I install the chin mount, what you do is you heat up the double-sided tape with a heat gun. That activates the glue much more strongly, so it will create a stronger bond when the glue or the tape is heated up before you press it on. That is one thing that you have to do. If you ever mount these mounts for a GoPro, it clips in here like this, whether it be the flat ones or the curved ones. This double-sided tape needs to be heated up in order to activate properly and to be seriously strong. So always make sure that you heat it up, either with a hairdryer at full tilt, or you can use a heat gun. Alright, let's get into it. So check this helmet now, but the thing is, these are independently hinged, so it goes around the chin of the helmet like this, and it can basically fit any helmet. So we're gonna see how it looks now, and it actually has the 3M VHP strips and then a catch as well. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take some alcohol. Okay, I suppose I need to remove the sticker here so that I can get a, I do not want to mount. Oh, perfect. So I'm going to have to spend some serious time now removing this sticker first. Okay, we managed to get that sticker removed. Clean everything here. Alcohol. Okay, and I think it would be a good idea to open this up so that this is in the way already, other than sticking the mount, and then when you want to open that thing you realize that you cannot open it. So what's going to happen now is, I suppose we need to stick this here like that, but what I want to do is I want to cut this in half so that I can use this as I want to. So I'm going to cut the sticker now. So let's cut this through. Let's cut the, okay. Now we are going to stick it clean it and stick it here. The hook needs to point up. And you won't believe it, my brother just arrived. So my brother just arrived, so I'll have to heat this up again. Hello guys. As I said, I do not want to burn my workbench. Could you explain why you're heating it up? Yeah. Okay. Let's put this J hook in the center. There. You sure you want to have it pointing down? It has to be like that, yeah. Okay guys, as you can see, now with the GoPro there, you'll be able to lift it up like this. If you turn this around, you won't be able to lift it up. So what I'm going to do here is press down as much as I can. To be honest with you. Then install those and let them sit there for a while. And that's just going to make them more secure. So I think that'll work for now. Let's leave it like that. I'm not riding today, so there's no need to rush. And I want this thing to stick like snot in the sofa. So you clean it nicely with spirits. Yeah. Alcohol. Alright, guys, that's it for now. I'll be back. Okay guys, what's happening here is this is the mount that we have just installed. Okay. You will notice that I already have this mount here as well that I have installed. However, the problem on my bike is I have a high-rise screen, and on top of that I have a screen extension. So on the bike, this area of my helmet gets wind here from here on up. Below this it's quite quiet, so the camera will sit bam smack in the center there of where the wind is. So I'd prefer to have the camera here. Yes, there is the little piece between the two screens that you will see, unfortunately. However, it's still the best place to have the camera. Okay. I have also installed the little catch. Should things go wrong, it is there to help out. Okay. Let me pick up this and show you. Okay. So as you can see, this is a properly sticked on mount. I have to say I am enjoying it. While I only rode the bike 2Ks with it on, I want to show you one thing, however. So let's quickly pause the video and let me show you one thing. Okay. Let me show you this. One thing that I have realized when riding and checking on the footage. This helmet has a release pin here for the visor. Okay. You need to depress this button and the camera is in the way. And also note, when you are wearing a helmet, the helmet tilts like this. The helmet doesn't sit like this on your head, it's like that. This camera cannot tilt higher enough with this fitting on it. So, which means I am going to have to put the extended arm on here in order to allow the camera to lift up higher. Okay guys, that is the installation video of this system. I do think that it's a good system. I am happy with it, and I'm happy that I purchased it. The next video will feature the other one that I have on the other helmet, and then we can talk about the two of them and what the differences are. So look out for that as well. Okay guys, that is that for this video. Thanks for having a look at the installation process of this mount. I'm really happy with it. If I had a choice, I'll buy it again. I'm very happy with the quality. I love the fact that it's hinged. Every section has its own hinge in order to make sure that it has conformity to the specific helmet that it's getting installed on, which is a very good thing. It's obvious all helmets are different. There's no two helmets that's the same shape. So have a look at the next video where we will talk about the two different types of mounts that I have and the pros and cons of the two. Guys, if this is the type of content that you enjoy watching, please consider subscribing to my channel, comment and like my videos. I really appreciate it. And then until the next one, stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys.